Alright, this is how to replace the bulb in a AAA, two AAA mini MagLite. Unscrew the top. But you're going to want to take the batteries out first. Well, you don't have to. If you're going to use the extra bulb in the tail cap, you can. I'm not going to bother. I've got a new pack of the upgraded version. This is a really old MagLite. And all you do is pull this out.
Are you doing it?
Cut. Oh, I gotta get this things out. Stupid packaging. Alright. Oh man, packaging. I hate this stuff. I'm such an idiot. Stuff does not work. Alright, there you go. Stupid. Sorry, it's taking a while. Alright. Get the new bulb. There'll be two little holes, and you just pull it out if you can't get the old one out. Mine actually burnt out. First time I've ever seen one of these things burn out. These are cheap flashlights, like $10. Put the bulb in, and there you go. See what we got. There you go, it'll work. See, it's not bright on. And nothing special, just a normal. And then you chuck those, and I'll just show you how to do that. Here is the spare bulb. You just take this. Oh, I just lost it. There you go. Take out that little spring thing, and in the tail cap, this little red thing will come out. Pull out the spare bulb. There, I'm not going to use that one. Use this other one and put it as the spare. These are apparently brighter, or so they say. Just slide it back in there. That back down. This little thing pops back in there, and you just screw it back on. Alright, there you go.